Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have become increasingly popular in recent years. They are widely used for various applications such as aerial photography and videography, agriculture, surveying, and search and rescue operations. Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is a high-end drone that boasts an impressive 4K camera with a 1-inch sensor. It also has a 3-axis gimbal for smooth and stable footage, and a range of up to 12 kilometers. The Mavic 3 is equipped with obstacle avoidance sensors, which help prevent crashes and collisions. It also has a battery life of up to 45 minutes, making it an ideal choice for professionals. Autel Evo 2. The Autel Evo 2 is a powerful drone that is capable of shooting 8K video and taking 48-megapixel photos. It has a range of up to 9 kilometers and a battery life of up to 40 minutes. The Evo 2 is equipped with obstacle avoidance sensors and a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage. Skydio 2. The Skydio 2 is a compact drone that is designed for capturing dynamic footage. It has a 4K camera with a 1/2.3-inch sensor and a range of up to 3.5 kilometers. The Skydio 2 is equipped with 6 obstacle avoidance sensors, which allow it to navigate around objects and obstacles in its path. It also has a battery life of up to 23 minutes. Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is a lightweight drone that is designed for beginners and hobbyists. It has a 4K camera with a 1/2.3-inch sensor and a range of up to 10 kilometers. The Mini 2 is equipped with obstacle avoidance sensors and a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage. It also has a battery life of up to 31 minutes. Parrot Anafi USA. The Parrot Anafi USA is a versatile drone that is designed for a range of applications such as surveillance, inspection, and search and rescue operations. It has a 4K camera with a 21-megapixel sensor and a range of up to 4 kilometers. The Anafi USA is equipped with obstacle avoidance sensors and a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage. It also has a battery life of up to 32 minutes. Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S is a compact drone that is designed for capturing high-quality aerial footage. It has a 4K camera with a 1-inch sensor and a range of up to 12 kilometers. The Air 2S is equipped with obstacle avoidance sensors and a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage. It also has a battery life of up to 31 minutes. PowerVision Power Egg X. The PowerVision Power Egg X is a unique drone that can transform into a handheld camera. It has a 4K camera with a 12-megapixel sensor and a range of up to 6 kilometers. The Power Egg X is equipped with obstacle avoidance sensors and a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage. It also has a battery life of up to 30 minutes. In conclusion, drones have become an essential tool for various applications. The latest drones available on the market are equipped with advanced features and specifications that cater to the needs of professionals, hobbyists, and beginners.